Wow, majestic. Contemporary dance, closely related to modern dance, ballet, and other classical concert dance styles, takes center stage in this week's JCDC Festival Corner. We share some of the wonderful performances that took place at the recent National Studio Dance Finals. Running with the Wolves there from Mount Alvernia. Good piece. Many of the studio dance pieces also explored our rich African heritage.
The thoughts of freedom fighters dwell in my brain, stolen from Africa. The mission is still the same. We've got a warrior spirit inside. It's well wild, can't tame. And this a warrior spirit inside. It come for break every shackle and chain. And them a try brainwash we. Guys we mind the meditation dirty. Them never tell we say black is beauty. Me nah go bleach, me say me nah dilute it. No, hey you search your history. Break the puzzle, come make we solve the mystery. Hey, a Solomonic dynasty from the line of David, what a priceless legacy.
Marcus words come to pass. Marcus words come to pass. Can't get no food to eat. Can't get no money to spend. Oh, can't get no food to eat. Can't get no money to spend. Oh.
Riveting, soul-stirring, and not to mention exciting is surely the way to describe these studio dance pieces. One of the most outstanding pieces was a judges' and crowd favorite. It's